I didn't even turn it on.
I stick like this.
Nice. Going around the knee bar is good.
Alright, what's up everybody? We are here with my homie Blake today. He is the sloper god. He smokes me on all sloper climbs. So I just got the Tindeck Progressor 200 and I'm gonna test our finger strength on the 20 millimeter. So we're gonna see if he's a lot stronger than me. I do a lot better on crimps and stuff like that than he does, but sloper climbs, I literally just get railed. So we're gonna try this today, see who has stronger fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah, no thumb. That's good.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
Yeah, I actually don't know either. Nice. Not bad. Okay, so it's a little bit weaker on the left, but not much. All right, let's see. I'm a little scared because I feel like as a full crimper, I should be a little bit stronger than this, but...
All right, Zach is up. We are preying on his downfall.
60's kind of a lot. All right.
Let's see.
No!
Yes, let's go.
Damn it.
54. We're preying on his downfall and it worked. His left is gonna be 65. Oh, thumbs down.
I didn't even fucking turn it on. That is so sad. Damn it. All right, we're switching over to the 10 millimeter.
There's no way.
My ego is bruised from that last one. That's tough. Go ahead. Ooh, dry fired. 41's not bad.
It's a lot less than 60.
It's hard because you like don't know how hard to pull without dry firing.
45.
Stronger left, even after a second attempt too. That's kind of crazy.
All right, Zach's got to beat 45. Let's see.
We got 42 and a half.
Oh, 42. He already beat me on the right. You got it.
39.
39.
God damn. What is that, like half my body weight? Not even. God, that sucks. Alright, now that I've been sufficiently humbled by Blake, he's significantly stronger than me. We're gonna try some boulders around the gym. There's this blue Slopey 7 right here. He says he can flash it. I can't get the first move, so. Let's see it, Blake. This is it. It was a lot of talk. You gotta send now. Brushing ASMR. Yep. Nice. Is that how you do the first move?
I stick like this.
That's crazy. Okay, so maybe that's why, because I didn't know you would do it dynamically.
It's in it.
Showing me beta for the upper half. Kind of ridiculous. Nice. There's V8 right here, and it goes into a V6. I flashed the V6 super easy, so the 8 really shouldn't be that bad. It's like 3 extra moves.
Nice. Nice. Nice, Zach. Come on. It's just a 6 from here. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Come on, Blake. Nice, dude. Come on. Oh, good match. Nice. Good. Here we go. You got this, dude. Keep on. Nice. Good move. Good rest here. There you go, Blake. Come on. 2 moves. No, dude. That was so good. Trying to get the foot on that sloper, dude. This is why he's stronger. There's no way I'm doing that shit, bro.
Let's see it. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. The rest goes. Come on, Zach. Bump. Nice. High crimp. You got it. Walk that left foot. You can get it. Take that knee bar. Oh.
Honestly, pretty happy with that attempt. This move, getting the knee bar in on that big one, it's pretty hard to get your knee locked in there, but I'll give it like one more try. Blake kind of crushed it up to that point, so I should be able to do what he can do. Come on. Come on, Blake. There we go. Yeah, good foot. Come on. Let's go. Big move. No, dude. There's no way. That left crimp, dude. Oh, really? That guy looks like a monster. Yeah, that was an insane attempt. Blake also climbed for 3 hours yesterday at the Mill Creek Momentum, so I do not blame him for not getting that finish move. Holy shit.
Nice. Nice. It's like a jam over there. It's trying to hold. Come on, Zach. Come on, going around the knee bar. It's good. Nice. You got it. You got it. Nice. Come on. Ooh, he's not going under things. Ah.
That's the best thing we're gonna get. Definitely not going again. It's a solid climb though. It's pretty fun. All right, Blake's gonna head out here. It was a pretty good session. I'll probably try a couple more climbs, just go around the gym here. He smoked me on the tin deck. Honestly, I'm gonna return the tin deck. I don't even want to use that anymore after that. But it was pretty cool. Say peace out, Blake. It was a good time having him. We'll have him in another video. I'll do a spray wall session in like a week or two, and he'll come along the ride for that. So be looking out for that one. on for a second. I was so pissed. Well, session started off pretty tough, to be honest, especially getting schooled by Blake on the tin deck. Still pretty pissed about that, but it was fun hanging out with him and getting some climbs in. That blue 7 was super hard, and same thing about that yellow 8, but I think the 7 goes for sure, that blue one. And then finishing out with the flash on that pink 6 and then getting that 7 slab. I struggled so much on slabs, so that was pretty sick. I feel pretty good about that. I appreciate it if you made it this far. Make sure to leave a comment for me. Let me know if you've used the tin deck and like what your personal best is. I love hearing stuff like that. So let me know down below, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. So appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one.